So the last but one criterion for a good key risk indicator is that it should be auditable. Actually, this is not that different from any other system that you use or implement in your organization. It should have an auditable key risk indicator should have an audit trail available that also identifies the modifications that have been made to the key risk indicators. Because setting up the key risk indicators on one hand is fine and good, but what the inspectors and auditors might really be interested in is, so how frequently did you modify the thresholds, for instance, for your key risk indicators, and why did you do that? So a system should be capable of documenting why a threshold has been modified, muted, or turned off completely. And finally, an auditable key risk indicator should be one that is human readable and self-explanatory. And a couple of examples here at the bottom. Threshold changes have been applied to a key risk indicator, as we discussed that a couple of times, due to changes of the protocol, which is something that may well happen. The audit trail shows the date, time, and responsible person and the rationale for the changes. It could be brief, could be short and sweet, but at least you should have a rationale available why a threshold had been changed. And please do not use the key risk indicator FIRE too frequently, and therefore we wanted to reduce our workload. So try to find a better explanation than that. And an auditor or inspector can review the audit trail of the key risk indicators and fully understand what happened to the key risk indicator in the study without, pulling in an IT person that translates something that is rather cryptic into something that an auditor or inspector or anybody else in an organization can understand. So just make sure that your audit trail is human readable.